Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ashanna Ratipelli. In this video, I would like to do solutions to exercise questions. Exercise 14.4. First problem, the following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory. Daily income in rupees 250 to 300 rupees. Number of workers 12. 300 to 350 14, 350 to 400 8, 400 to 450 6, 450 to 500 10. Convert the distribution above to a less than type of cumulative frequency distribution and draw its ogive. Here we have to do two answers. First, less than type of cumulative frequency distribution, then we have to draw its ogive. To make less than a less than type cumulative frequency distribution, first we have to draw this data as column wise like this, and also complete less than type cumulative frequency points. First, less than type less than type less than 300, less than 300, less than 350, less than 400, less than 450, less than 500. Next, to cumulative frequency. Here we have frequencies 12, 12 plus 14, 6, 1 plus 2, 3, 36, 12 plus 14, 26, 26 plus 8, 34, 34 plus 6, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. So this cumulative frequency, last one, and here number of frequencies 50 tally. So this is correct. Next, we have to find points. 300, 12, 350, 26, 400, 34, 450, 40, 500 and 50. Now we have to draw ogive. For this ogive, to draw ogive we need these points. That's why I will write these points here to visible clearly, but you don't write. 300, 12, 350, 26, 400, 34, 450, 40, 500, 50. Now we mark the upper limits on x-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Upper limits. Upper limits on this is x-axis, and cumulative frequency on y-axis. Cumulative frequency. Now we have to take a scale. On scale, on x-axis, upper limits 1 centimeter 10 units, 100 units. 1 centimeter 100 units. On y-axis, cumulative frequency 1 centimeter 10 units. Now we have to plot these points in this graph. 312. First we have to note these values. Here 0, 0. Here 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. This side 10 units. 1 centimeter 10 units. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now 312. Here 312. This is the 12. Next this is 312. 312. Next to 350, 26. 350. This is 350, 26. 26. 350, 26. 434. 434. 434. 450, 40. 450, 40. 450, 40. 550. 550. 550. So now these points we have to join a free and smooth curve to obtain less than curve, ogive curve. This is called less than ogive. Less than ogive. Question number 2. During the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, their weights were recorded as follows. Weight in kg, number of students less than 38 0, less than 43, less than 42 5, less than 44 9, less than 46 14, less than 48 28, less than 50 32, less than 52 35. Draw a less than type positive for the given data. Hence, obtain the median weight from the graph and verify the result by using the formula. Here we have to first less than type positive. Next we have to find median from graph. Next verification. So these we have to do. First we have to draw this column in answer sheet, and also make more columns basing this given data, that is weight in kg and number of students, frequencies, less than type, cumulative frequency is given, less than type also given, points. These we have to do. First weight below 38, below 38, 38 to 40, 40 to 42, 42 to 44, 44 to 46, 46 to 48, 48 to 50, 50 to 52. Now we have to write number of students, frequency. This is frequency. Here 0, 3 minus 0, 3, 5 minus 3, 2, 9 minus 5, 4, 14 minus 9, 5, 28 minus 14, 14, 32 minus 28, 4, 35 minus 32, 3. Now we have to write points. Points, these 38, 38 0, 43, 42 5, 44 9, 46 14, 48 28, 50 32, 52 35. To visible this, first I am writing these points here, but you don't write 38 0, 43, 42 5, 44 9, 46 14, 48 28, 50 32, 52 35. Basing these points, we can draw positive. First we have to make Cartesian plane, that is x-axis, x-axis, this is x-axis. Next to y-axis, vertical line is called y-axis, Horizontal line is called x-axis. The intersecting point of axis is 0, 0. Now we have to show this in this graph. Upper limits on x-axis, upper limits on x-axis, lower limits, cumulative frequency, along y-axis, cumulative frequency. I marked. Now we have to take a scale on x-axis. Upper limit 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter we have to take 10 units, 10 units. On y-axis 1 centimeter have to take 10 units only. Basing these points, now we can plot. We have to plot these points on graph 38, 0. First we have to indicate the scale 10 units, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now we have to plot these points in this graph 38, 0, 38, 0. Here only 38, 0, 38, 0, 43, 43, 1, 2, 3. So this is 43, this is 38, 0, this is 43. Next 42, 5, 42, 5. This is 42, 5. Next 49, 9, 49, 9, 49, 9, 46, 14, 44, 9, this 44, 9, 44, 9, this is 44, 9. Next 46, 14, 46, 14, 46, 14, 48, 28, 48, 28, 48, 28, 48, 28. Next 48, 28 after 50, 32, 50, 32, 32, 50, 32, 52, 35, 52, 35, 52, 35. we have to join these points by a smooth hand curve to make a less than type OSIV. This is less than type OSIV. Less than type OSIV. Now we have to locate the point n by 2. N is given 35. Then n by 2 is equal to 35 by 2, that is equal to 17 pi. N by 2 is equal to 17.5. Now we have to locate the point 17.5 on y-axis. 17.5 on y-axis. 17, here 10, 15, 16, 17. 17.5. This is 17.5. 0, 17.5. And draw a line parallel to x-axis which cuts at OSIV at P. I am drawing this parallel to the x-axis to cut set at the OSIV at point P. This is P. We can indicate this. Here and draw a perpendicular from P on x-axis. Drawn perpendicular line from P to x-axis. The point intersection of this point gives the median. This is the median point. How much is this? This is 46.5. 46.5. 0. So this is 46 on x-axis. 46. This is the median. This is the median point. 46.5 is the median. Here we can indicate 46.5 and 17.5. This is the point. Now we have to verify this point using formula. Here n is equal to 35. Therefore n by 2 is equal to 35 by 2, 17.5. The cumulative frequency just greater than 17.5 is cumulative frequency, just greater than 17.5 is this 28. Therefore, so median class median class is 46 48 46 48. This is the median class. Basing this, we can find median using this formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by small f into H. In this formula, we have to know all the values of L, n by 2, CF, F, H. Here n by n, L is lower boundary 46, n by 2 17.5, CF cumulative frequency preceding the median class is 46. So 40, this is the 14, this is the CF 14, frequency of the median class 14, this is the frequency of the median class 14, height of the class 2. Substituting these values in this formula, we can get a median. L value 46 plus 17.5 minus 14 by 14 into 2, 46 plus 3.5, 2 ones, 2 sevens by 7, 46, 7 ones, 7 fives, 0.5, that is called 46.5 kgs. So this is the median. We found this on graph also. We get to 46.5 only. Therefore, proved. Question number 3. The following table gives you production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. Production yield quintal per hectare 50 to 55 quintals per hectare. Number of farmers 2. 55 to 68, 60 to 65 12, 65 to 70 24, 70 to 75 38, 75 to 80 16. Change the distribution to a more than type distribution and draw its ogive. To make a more than type of distribution, we have to change this given data like this column wise and also complete these remaining columns. Then we have to draw ogive. First we have to complete these columns. First, more than type. Here more than 50, more than 50, more than 55, more than 55, more than 60, more than 65, more than 70, more than 70, more than 75, more than 75. Next we have to complete cumulative frequency. To how to do cumulative frequency, this Here we have to more than type distribution. That's why we have to down to up we have to take. Here 16 plus 38, 16 8 plus 14 4 5 54, 54 plus 24 78, 78 plus 24, 78 plus 12 is equal to 90, 90 plus 8, 98, 98 plus 2, 100. We got 100. Tally this with some sigma fi, total number of frequencies. Now we have to do points helping this cumulative frequency, and this more than type 50 100, 50 100, 55 98, 7 60 90, 65 78, 70 54, 75 16. Once again I will write these points here, but you don't write here to visible clearly while drawing this graph. That's why only I am writing here 50 100, 55 98, 60 90, 65 78, 70 54, 75 16. These are the points. Now we have to prepare Cartesian plane. Horizontal line to earth is called x-axis. X-axis. Vertical line to earth is called y-axis. This intersecting point is called origin. Now we have to take scale on top right corner. On x-axis we have to take lower limits, along with the y-axis we have to take cumulative frequency, Now we have to mention scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter 10 units. Basing these points we have to take this scale. On y-axis 1 centimeter 10 units, because here total multiples of tens nearer to multiples of 10, so that's why we took 10 units. Now here we have to indicate 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100. On y-axis also same 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90, 100. Here first 50, 100, 50, 100. So the point is here 50, 100, 55, 98, 55, 98. Here is the point. This is 50, 100. This is 55, 98. Next 60, 90, 60, 90. So this is the 60, 90. 65, 78, 65, 78. So here is the point 65, 78. 70, 54, 70, 54. Here is the 70, 54. 75, 16, 75, 16. 15, 16. 75, 16. Now we have to join these points by a smooth end to make more than ogive curve. So this is more than type ogive. This is called more than ogive, more than ogive, more than type ogive. Thank you children. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.